So it's the time of the year that we always hear a lot of people asking, what is this plant? So this is the surprise lily, also known as naked ladies, the more scandalous name for the plant. Lycoris squamigera, the Latin name. So in the spring, this plant comes up with leaves very much like a daffodil or a amaryllis in appearance, because it actually is in the amaryllis family. And the leaves come up about March or April in our area. They last till about early June. They turn yellow and go away. Then you forget that you had this plant, and up it comes usually sometime in August. This year, this patch is a little bit earlier than normal, and that varies a little bit each year. They tend to pop up after you've had a good rain. So we had some pretty good rain a few weeks ago, and last week actually. So here they are. They are up in this small little herb garden, and adding some nice splashes of color right now. So if you see these around town, they are called surprise lilies, and you can actually buy those from bulb companies. Pretty easy to find. They primarily come in light pink, but there are some other colors that are out and available, and different cultivars actually, in fact. So check them out if you want to add some interesting late summer bulb color to your garden. As always, please like the channel and subscribe.